In many cultures, dining out has transitioned from a simple necessity to a sophisticated culinary experience. It is no longer just about the food on the plate. It is about the ambience of the establishment, the quality of the service, and the overall social atmosphere. Whether you are visiting a casual local bistro or an upscale restaurant, understanding the nuances of the dining process is key to a successful evening. The experience typically begins with a reservation. For popular or high-end venues, it is almost mandatory to book a table in advance to avoid being turned away at the door. Upon arrival, you are usually greeted by a host who confirms your booking and escorts you to your table. Once you are settled, you are presented with the menu, which is often categorized into sections like appetizers, entrees, and desserts. A standard multi-course meal follows a specific flow. Many diners start with an appetizer or a starter to stimulate the palate. This is followed by the entree or main course, which serves as the centerpiece of the meal. To enhance the main dish, many restaurants offer a selection of side dishes, such as truffle fries or seasonal greens, which are designed to complement the flavors of the entree. One of the most important aspects of modern dining is communication regarding dietary restrictions. Whether a guest is vegan, gluten-free, or has a specific allergy, it is essential to inform the waiting staff early. A high-quality restaurant will always be happy to accommodate these needs by suggesting alternatives or modifying a dish. Menus also have symbols to indicate whether the dish is gluten-free, vegan, or vegetarian. Finally, the meal concludes with the settling of the account. In many countries, the bill, or the check, is presented in a small folder or on a tray. Depending on the country, at this stage, it is customary to leave a gratuity or tip if the service met your expectations. The amount usually varies depending on the local culture, but it is generally seen as a gesture of appreciation for the hospitality provided. I hope you enjoyed your restaurant experience today.